Hey guys, this is our read aloud for today. It's called Snow Globe Wishes by Aaron Deely. Lights go out, fierce clouds blow in, garlands fly on frozen wind. Lost connections, phones, computers, bundled homeward bound commuters. Traffic slows, roads disappear beneath the worst storm of the year. Picnic dinners, candlelight, darkness draws us close to night. Blanket forts crawl in, scoot over, kitten purrs, me too, barks Rover. Snow globe wishes, close your eyes, snowplows rumble lullabies. Then slowly stretching, morning yawns, look, brilliant skies, rose golden dawn. Wake up, a whisper from the snow, do you hear its soft hello? Magic sparkles, beckon, swirls. Come outside, dear boys and girls. Children hear it best, they say. But what if on this snow globe day families shake their busy lives, heavy doors fling open wide, and out they go, one, twos, threes, fours, in cities, towns, and right next door, outside to winter's wonderland. Who'll be the first to grab a hand? That grabs a hand and then another, neighbors, strangers, sisters, brothers. What if, dear friends, on this snow globe day, everyone comes out to play? Share a smile to catch the spirit, laugh until the world can hear it, and pass it on as bright eyes glisten. Do you hear what they hear? Listen. Peace on earth. Peace on earth right now, right here. Peace for all throughout the year. Merry Christmas, guys.